So today I will tell you a very easy recipe to make fried chicken pakoda. This is how you will make chicken pakoda. It will be very tasty and juicy in food, and with it we will make mint green chutney with which you can eat it. So let's start the recipe quickly, friends. Here I bought 700 grams of beef bone chicken. I have washed the chicken well and look at it. I have made small pieces which are large pieces. I have cut them so that the chicken is cooked well, and will add a small spoon of salt to it, and a small spoon you have added in it. Red chili powder is to be added. Spicy red chili powder is used here, and along with this I will add ginger garlic paste in it. Then see 2 small spoons I have added ginger paste in it, and along with this we will add a little lemon juice in it. If you don't have lemon, you can use vinegar instead. Lemon and vinegar are acidic ingredients. Because of this, the chicken starts to melt, so we use lemon juice in it. Mix the chicken well and leave the chicken in this marinade for at least 30 minutes, and the maximum you can leave the chicken in this marinade for 24 hours. Your chicken will also be soft and juicy. Look from the inside, cover it from the top, and after covering it you should keep the chicken in the fridge. Then here I had kept the chicken in the fridge for 2 hours by marinating it, and now add the remaining spices to it. Add some finely curried green chilies, and along with it you have to add a little turmeric powder. I have added a little bit of turmeric powder. I have seen it, and along with it we will add whole coriander. Then you have to add coriander. See, this way add mussel so that the flavor of it does not become activated. Or you can also add coriander without roasting by crushing. So 1 teaspoon square I have added sabudani in it, and half a teaspoon we will add aspin in it. Ajpin also has to be added with mussel in this way, and along with it we will add cumin powder. Add half a teaspoon and a little bit of roasted fenugreek. Kasuri fenugreek has a very good flavor, and along with it you have to add a little bit of hot masala powder, and together we will put an egg in it. Binding will be good with eggs only. Whatever we add, chili, spices, besan, etc. to it, if it does not coat well on the chicken, then egg is used for binding. And see carefully whether you mix the chicken with chili spices. Binding has now also been done. Now for the coating we have to put besan. How much sugar to put in it? Fill 2 tablespoons and add besan in it. And if you have to add a little corn fryer in it along with besan, then I am adding only 2 spoons of corn fryer in it. There is no crunch umbrella from the corn fryer from the outside of the pakoda. If you don't have a corn fryer, add a tablespoon of besan and add it, and look carefully, you have to mix na besan corn fryer with chicken. In this way, the coating from the outside of the chicken should be just enough that the chicken should be well covered. Do not use too much coating. So look at the chicken well. I have also coated it here. Now we first make chutney. Here I have added a little bit of hardani inside the grinder fork, and also add a little bit of na sapling in it. Not half as rich as ali. I have added mint, added a tomato along with it. I will add 4 to 5 garlic cloves to it. You have to add a small piece of ginger to it. You have added less ginger, otherwise the chutney will not remain bitter after. Add 1 onion chopped finely and 2 green chilies. You can also increase chili. You like more spicy food. Along with half a teaspoon, you have to add salt, and half a teaspoon you add chaat masala powder in it. Add a teaspoon of cumin powder, and if you have to add a little lemon juice in it, then squeeze the juice of 1 lemon completely. Your chutney with lemon juice will grind. Your chutney will have a very nice color. I have added half a teaspoon of black salt in it, and I have added a tablespoon of coriander in it, and you have to grind all these well. Make a very fine paste. So our chutney is ready. The mint chutney with which you will eat these pakodas will look very amazing in food. So in this way you can prepare the chutney. You can make chutney in minutes. Now fry the pakodas. You have to keep the temperature of the oil medium here. Do not fry on high heat. And quickly put your chicken to fry. Let's see what happens if you fry chicken in high flame like this. The color will come from the outside, and your chicken will not be raw from the inside. So as many pieces come in the strand of your chicken as you put it first to fry, and see this once. Do not shake the chicken so that the chicken does not stick under the embroidery. Okay, but will make like this. Your chicken will not stick even under the embroidery. Now there is also a way to not fry the chicken. Chicken should never be completely fried at once. How will I show you ahead? Chicken is fried twice to make good crispy and good juicy, so the flame of gas keeps them in the media here. Look at the chicken being fried. There is no hurry. If you fry it comfortably, the chicken will become soft. So look, our chicken has been half fried here. Then take out the chicken by half frying. Don't give it a 2-minute rest. Then after 2 minutes we will fry it full. So for at least 6 to 7 minutes I had fried the chicken in medium flame. Now remove the chicken and place it on a chafing wood, and after placing it on the chafing wood, you have to press the chicken lightly. See why I am pressing the chicken like this now? Because the pieces of chicken are a little thick and do not remain raw from the inside, do not cook well. Then in this way you will put the pressed chicken in the oil to fry again. So the chicken will be able to cook well with the difference. Look at the chicken, I did a good job. Again we put it to fry. Inside the embroidery, you have to keep the gas flame medium to high, and after this you have to fry the chicken on medium to high flame and see how many bubbles have started coming. These parrots are coming from the outside of the chicken because I had not pressed the chicken, so the chicken is very raw from the inside. Neither if you press it like this, it will cook quickly. Then there are some tips that no one tells you. You would fry the chicken. Continuous chicken burns from the outside but not raw from the inside. Look at it like this. Your chicken will cook well inside, and watch this. The color has come on very good chicken, and the chicken we have has been fried well.